Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates. Today's video is all about an exterior makeover. I have probably not been as excited to do a video as I have about this one. We moved into a new house about 3.5 weeks ago, and it was a red brick house, and we decided to paint it white and paint the shutters and the door black. So today is that reveal. So let me talk to you about the paint I chose. When I found out that we were going to need 60 gallons to paint the house, of course, my nervous level went way up. Paint's hard to choose. How many of you have 20 extra samples of paint in your garage? I came home with 6 samples of white and 5 samples of black. Black can go blue black, black can go very gray black, and then white can go a cream white, and it can also go a gray white. Now, the color I chose, we used Feral Calhoun paint. This is called Barely White, and when you look at the sample, it's really gray white. But you have to remember there's going to be 60 gallons of it, and it's going to be outside in the sunlight. The black I chose, this one is called Black Licorice, and it wasn't too black, but it looked really well with the color. And I have to say that once they were done, I was completely delighted. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I did. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because we'll have a new video out next week.